They did an extensive investigation of everything that's available at the moment by their Verify unit, specifically designed to cut through any partisan rhetoric and get to reality. And based on circumstantial evidence, as they said, but the clear conclusion of that investigation is it's far more probable that this was actually fired from within Gaza. It was a misfire, and it landed in the car park next to the hospital. And they cite, for example, the crater is tiny by comparison to the kind of crater you would see from a conventional Israel missile, and so on.